Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to make the most amazing chocolate cupcakes. So here is the list of ingredients. Let's take a closer look at the ingredients. So here we have 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, then we have half cup of water, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, then we have half cup of buttermilk and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Here we have 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Let's go ahead and mix all the ingredients, starting with the dry ones. Please do not forget to sift all the dry ingredients before adding it to the bowl. Once all the dry ingredients are added to the bowl, mix it thoroughly with the help of a spatula. Sorry for the missing clip guys, but here I've added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to the egg and beaten it. Now I will go ahead and add all the remaining wet ingredients. Once everything is added, I will beat it thoroughly to avoid any lumps. So here's how the final batter looks like. Until then, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I have lined up the cupcake molds. So let's go ahead and pour the batter into the molds. Fill the cupcake molds for about 2/3 level. Let's go ahead and repeat the process with the other molds. It's time to place the cupcakes into the oven. Let the cupcakes cook for about 5 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After 5 minutes, let's lower the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook them for about 10 minutes. So, here is the final look of our baked cupcakes. Now, let's go ahead and frost our cupcake. This we will need any type of frosting. I've taken the chocolate frosting and we need few sprinkles. So let's go ahead and start icing the cupcake. Please comment below if you want me to put up a video on chocolate frosting. Once done, add few sprinkles on the top. This is completely optional. Let's repeat this process for all our remaining cupcakes. Chocolate cupcakes are now ready. Please serve them as is. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.